Welcome back. My screencast software will only allow me to create videos that are 15 minutes long, so I got cut off right at the end. So we didn't have a chance to delete directories. So let's go to the root, change directory /. Notice I put a space after the CD. If I don't put a space, I get an error message. We're going to go to the root, clear the screen, and do ls. So we want to get rid of DR3 and any other directory that we may have created there. I think we also created this new DR. So the command to remove a directory is rmdir, but that will only remove an empty directory. If I try that with DR3, it tells me the directory is not empty. So this is what you do. Instead of using rmdir, use rm instead. You type the name of the directory you want to delete, and you have to put a few options in there. You do -r. R is short for recursive, and we're going to be using the -r option with a lot of commands. -r means carry out the action. In this case, the action is delete, but it could be copy, it could be move, could be many things. Carry out the action on the current directory and the subdirectory and the sub-subdirectories, and keep going till you're finished. So -r just means do it until it's complete. So we're going to do -r, and we're also going to include the letter F, and I'll tell you why. When you delete files, you get prompted. Are you sure you want to delete this file? Enter Y for yes, N for no, and then press enter. That's fine if you have 2 or 3 files in that directory. You'll get prompted 2 or 3 times. What if you have 10,000 files? So you don't want to enter Y or yes 10,000 times. So to force it, you use the -F option. When you put F in front, okay, I'm going to do it without F so you can see the effect first. Are you sure you want to delete blah, blah, blah? Let me put no for now, and let me show you what happens if you put the F. So let's do the up arrow 2 times to get the previous command. R for recursive, delete everything in the current directory, DR3 and the subdirectories, and then we're going to force it. It didn't bother me this time. So let's type ls. We can see DR3 is gone. Let's do the same thing with new DR. We want to keep things nice and clean at the top. So I'm going to use the up arrow to get my previous command, and this time I'm going to type new DR. And that was the step that we missed in the previous video.